Look out, y'all. Thought he was finna do something. Look out, y'all.
Nobody we good, we got hot. I know they mad as fuck. They can't get tails on us. We dug in the field, trying to get you people. She on the ground now.
Look out, we got Rhode Island in the building. Boom.
Man, whoa.
Hold on.
What's up with this trip?
Come
on, man, you get off.
I'm about to go on a rodeo.
Okay.
Church? Nah, I'm about to go to a rodeo.
No, you're not.
And say, yeah!
Are you live streaming a rodeo?
I was, but I didn't.
You look like straight up somebody.
1990s, like a boy band. Out of 19, like a white boy band, bro.
Yeah.
You look like a white kid out of 1990.
I look like a white kid. Look.
Your parents got a house in the Hamptons. Look at that. Showing a little too much neck.
Hi guys, I'm Troy McClure. You may remember me on previous films such as Peace.
Hell yeah.
Hot.
You look like an entrepreneur. You look like somebody came out of Silicon Valley.
Yeah.
You just got in a meeting with Jeff Bezos.
Let me down.
Yeah, I just left a
Off
meeting.
the yacht. Y'all had a yacht meeting.
Just left.
Titty man, what up, man? Skizza, thanks for the follow. I'm losing channel points on these races. We call it gambling, not winning, man.
Here we go.
My grandpa was saying that's why they call it hunting, not gambling.
Left lane for the win. He was coming, but not fast enough.
Oh, man. It's like real hard. I wonder if that may have been like, I'll give you the hit kind of thing.
Look out. Damn. Oh. Oh, we got Limpy in the house. Look out. Beef from the D, y'all. We got beef from the D. That's right, guys. B from the D has joined the chat along with Limpy. That's right, guys. Limpy, the king of street races with the flashlight, is in the chat. Voltage just got out of a meeting with Elon Musk's little cousin. That's right, they working out a deal right now as we speak. Right lane. Well, look out. We got him on the line with Elon Musk's little cousin trying to make his Tesla go a little faster. Hey, yeah. You gonna make your car sing? Yeah, make your car sing. I'm trying to hit it. Yo, hit the gas. Let me see your power. I've been at the track 2 fucking hours. Hellcat sitting on my left side. Yeah, I lied cause it got a 345. Yeah, hear me? Do you hear me? Hear me? Can you hear me? I'll be whooping cars that be having hear me's. Dang shit, that's all I'm on. Got a truck in the left lane and on. Henry say, am I coming to the big race this weekend? Yes, sir, I am. But I am gonna be late because I have been hired to record a football game from 8 to 10. And I have to get that money, guys, if you understand.
Said I could drive it.
Yeah. Right line for the win. Yeah, I'm gonna go get that money. They got a new DJ up here at Yello Belly. He jamming all that. Just smoke and blow. Hey, with me. Like marijuana, you like marijuana legalize, marijuana. Just smoke and roll with me. Look out, hey, hey. Woo!
Fat boy cool.
Meet up.